War veteran Blessed Runesugeza, known to his followers as Comrade Bombshell, has vowed that the national showdown will continue, claiming it has already sent a powerful message to the Zimbabwean government and security forces. Sadapenda mashoko ari kushamisa fani Bombshell achiti aiwa mashutdown amuri kuita kunyange ari kunikonzi ari maina panguva inoi asenda a shocking message inotungamirira nyika robva subscribe all icon on the bell icon tivina pano pamuzimba mudani kwamuchenze. Geza says the shutdown was necessary due to President Mnangagwa's failure in governance, citing mental unfitness to lead and presiding over what the monumental corruption that has crippled the country's public services. Mnangagwa is now mentally unfit to govern the country, Geza stated. He has destroyed the delivery of social services through rampant corruption. The entire system is broken. He assured supporters that something is being done right now to ensure that Mnangagwa goes, suggesting that both civilians and sympathetic elements within the security forces are aligned in pushing for change. Action is being taken, he added. Things are happening as we speak. Geza emphasized that the shutdown was intended to be peaceful. We never called for violence, he said. The Mnangagwa sent their people to commit acts of violence so they could blame us. We distance ourselves from those acts. He expressed dismay at the reports linking figures like former CCc MP Amos Baya to the shutdown planning. We never sent them to do any organizing of the shutdown. We are shocked where they are getting that. Thomas Komblani kwa panapa na Bombshell chiti security forces ake pangwa inoi they are pushing for change. Panapa action it is being done. Achiti mtukamiri wenyika pangwa idoi anytime he can be pushed out. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa mzuro bichitiko ichipina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.